Hello everyone. Today we are learn capital letter alphabet A to Z with number and color name. So let's start. Purple color, red color, light green color, dark green color, blue color, black color, peach pink color, sky blue color, orange color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Red color, A. A for alligator. Orange color, B. B for baby. Yellow color, C. C for candle. Light green color, D. D for doctor. Dark green color, E. E for elephant. Sky blue color, F. F for frog. Blue color, G. G for grapes. Purple color, H. H for horse. Peach pink color, I. I for ice cream. Red color, J. J for joker. Orange color, K. K for kite. Yellow color, L. L for lion. Light green color, M. M for mango. Dark green color, N. N for nose. Sky blue color, O. O for onion. Blue color, P. P for penguin. Purple color, Q. Q for quiet. Peach pink color, R. R for rainbow. Red color. S. S for sun. Orange color. T. T for tiger. Yellow color. U. U for unicorn. Light green color. V. V for volcano. Dark green color. W. W for wolf. Sky blue color. X. X for Xmas tree. Blue color. Y. Y for yellow color. Purple color. Z. Z for zebra. Red color. 1. Orange color. 2. Yellow color. 3. Light green color. 4. Dark green color. 5. Sky blue color. 6. Blue color. 7. Purple color. 8. This pink color. 9. Red color. 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.